So, I just wanted to do a little quick video because my bags have arrived from Brand Alley today. I ordered online. It does take longer than I expected for delivery. I think I'll put the exact date of delivery on the screen. But yeah, so I've been very excited waiting this morning for them to arrive. So I'm going to let you see me opening them. Pass you over to my daughter. So I've got both hands free. Not keeping all of it. I'm just going to see what I want and then send the rest back. So, packaged okay, really. First things first. Oh my goodness. So, first things first is the little purse. Oh my god, it's absolutely beautiful. Little zip around. So, put it back in there. That's the purse. I'm leaving the best to last, I'm sure you've noticed. This bad boy is... I can't even remember what I ordered. So, this is grey to match the handbag, and I absolutely love that. Oh God, I'm in trouble. Let's have a look inside. Can you see inside okay? That's stunning, isn't it? Okay, so, the handbag. Let's do this. Tied in a bow. Get this off. You ready for this? So it's a grey Aris. Now let's see the... Thank you. Never even thought of opening the blinds, it makes more sense. What do you think? You know I love a matchy, eh? Yeah. So that's part one, that's one package. I'm choosing between two. I'm choosing between this set, which is the grey Aris and the grey purse to match. And the other one is going to be, well, you'll see in a second. So we're in the second Brand Alley parcel. Same goods, Mulberry. I've got a few little bits in here. Oh, there we are. So, first little thing. Ooh. Burgundy, and I thought that would go well with that. It won't go well with pink, so that probably tells you what I'm deciding on keeping. The best value was that Aris bag. As I say, it was on sale, and this is a little Valentine's heart coin purse. I can't even open it, but so cute. This was reduced down to 50 quid. 50 quid. Look at the size of it. But anyway, it is Mulberry. That's that. So, I've got a choice of purses, but definitely prefer the grey one that matches that bag over this one. I mean, that one's stunning and it's big. I quite like a good sized purse. Oh, and this is my scarf. Let's have a look at this. Can you see the detail on that and hold it to the light? There's all the little mulberry trees all over it. That's very nice. Are you ready? So this is called a lily, and it's supposed to be pink.
Doesn't look pink.
Doesn't look pink. So there's the lily. And there's the iris.
I kind of like that one more.
What, the style of it?
No, I like the colour and the style.
Okay, are you going to like it more or less when I say what I'm about to say?
I have no idea. It's more expensive, isn't it?
That's less expensive.
Less?
That one was 1,000. That one is 1,500.
I like that one more. Definitely that one more. I don't know why anyone would buy that for 15,000, 1,500. Because like that one's nicer, in my opinion.
Okay, so just a few close-ups because you can't really get it on my other camera. So that was the tan purse, which is just a classic Mulberry, very beautiful. And I've got no beautiful assistant anymore. She's got bored with this game. That's the iris, which I think is going to be the winner, to be honest with you. That's the lily, which I just don't love the colour. Matching purse, because I just love a match. And then I get the iris purse out to match. Okay, I mean it's nice, but it just doesn't have that little tree on the front the way this one does. Oh goodness me, this is tough. Thought it was going to be easier than this. That one. Or that one. That one's ruled out. Goodness me. Excuse the shape of my bed. I did make it, but then obviously you've seen the cat. Decisions. What a lovely choice to have though, isn't it?